welcome back to my page. It's your girl J, and I'm here with a new fun video for y'all. Y'all know what time it is, but first, before we get into this video, before I tell you any details, you need to please, if you are on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notifications. That way you get notified every single time I post amazing content for you. And if you're on IGTV, go ahead and follow me if you're not already on Instagram. And yeah, turn on your bell for notifications on Instagram as well. That way you can find out anytime I post good content for y'all. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'm very excited to get into this video and show you what brand I'm working with and what I'm going to be showing you for today. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and get into it right now. So for today's video, it's going to be a skin treatment demonstration, hence why I have this gorgeous headband on and a bare face, no makeup, because I want to show you something amazing that Spasciences sent to me. I am so excited to demo this for y'all. I am so excited to try this out, especially because you guys know I've been having acne breakouts a lot lately. So today I will be demoing the Claro by Spasciences. Look how beautiful that is, honey. OMG, yes. So you're probably wondering, honey, what is the Claro? Well, I'm about to tell you right now. So the Claro is an acne treatment light therapy system, and I am so excited. I've been seeing these all over and I've been wanting to try one. So I am so excited. Like, look how beautiful is this. I cannot wait to open the box. It's time to open the box. You're probably wondering, what does this do? And let me tell you, it helps prevent and clear up breakouts, which I have been having I've been having some issues with. I have been dealing with issues. Clearly, my acne has been kind of wild. So, as y'all know, if you watch all my videos, which I hope you do, please watch all my videos. Give me a big old like. Anyways, but if you watch all my videos, you know that I have been struggling with acne more and more recently, and this is the reason why. So since becoming an influencer, I am constantly filming or doing photo shoots and wearing makeup, a lot of makeup during those times. And obviously I do a lot of skincare and I always try and up my skincare regimen, but I just think the increased amount of me wearing makeup, how long I have to wear the makeup, when I do my photo shoots or film for you guys, I think that may be contributing to it. And so I have been looking for solutions to solve the breakouts and at least help them. I think you're gonna love the Claro too. So let's check it out and see what we think. All right, so now let's get into opening this bad boy up. All right, so now it's open. Look at all of that. Okay, let's pull everything out and see what we got. So let me just go ahead and show you. Look how beautiful. OMG, I'm so excited. So of course, Spasciences, and it just looks like, I don't know, I love the way it looks, so I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, look at that. Like, it's just shining, honey. It needs a moment of its own. Like, beautiful. Thank you so much, Spasciences, for sending this out. Okay, so obviously you see the blue lights here. Then we have the set of red lights. Then it comes with your little USB charging cord. Here looks like it is for your eyes, and it's Velcro. So Velcro's apart, and then this way you can cover your eyes while you use it. So let me give you some specifics on Claro. So it is a pain-free acne clearing system. It uses blue LED lights and it uses the red LED lights to clear breakouts and help prevent future breakouts. So it looks like that. So the blue lights specifically, blue lights are essential for clearing the bacteria that happens in acne blemishes. So that is what the blue light is for. And the red light specifically helps with inflammation. So obviously you switch it on and off. The blue lights help with the bacteria and the red lights go ahead and help with the inflammation that is caused by acne breakouts. So using them both in combination helps you clear out acne breakouts. It's ideal for speeding up the process of clearing out the inflammatory bacteria, and it works for mild to moderate acne. So this is what it's going to work best for. So I'm going to start with the blue lights first. I'm going to turn the Claro on with it facing away from me. That way the lights never come in contact directly with your eyes. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to wear the goggles, but going forward, I will always wear the goggles. But since I am doing a demo for you guys, it'd be a little hard for me not to be seeing the camera. But I'm going to be very careful and make sure that my eyes never come in contact with the light. So basically, the Claro goes in 3-minute segments. So say you want to treat this area, I'm going to hold it to my skin for 3 minutes. It will give you a long beep when the 3 minutes is up, and that indicates that you need to move on to a different section of your face. So that's what we're going to do. It will go for up to 4 sections, so 12 minutes total. And then I'm going to switch to the red lights and show you guys how that works. I'm going to probably just do one section with blue light and then one section with red light. That way you guys can see both ways and how the Claro really works. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on now. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the mode button so that it turns on. Perfect. And now I'm going to move it to the section of my face that I want to focus on, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and focus on this area for the full 3 minutes, and I will time lapses so that way you can see how it works. But I'm going to go ahead and let this do its job for the next 3 minutes, and I will be back to show you. All right, so it just beeped. If you heard that, it was a little beep to indicate that it has worked now on this area for 3 minutes and it's time to move to a different area. So you can see that it is a little bit red, which is totally normal for it to be a little bit warm to the touch and a little bit red. That is normal, and it's just a part of the process when using the Claro device. I'm going to show you how to take this one off and switch to the red LED lights. All right, so to switch out the blue LED lights for the red, you're going to go ahead and hit this lever that's right here. And that is going to release this one, and obviously you can see now that I took this one off and I'm ready to put the red on. And as you can tell, I made sure not to touch this part just to ensure that more bacteria isn't being spread to it. But like I said, I'm going to make sure to use some rubbing alcohol and a little pad to just sanitize this before and after each use. That way there's no extra bacteria being spread. So again, I'm making sure not to actually touch the part that'll go onto your face. So as you can see, there's 2 little holes there, which are gonna line up right there. And when you put it on, the way that you will know that it's on correctly is you will hear a little clicking noise. So let's go ahead and try that now. Okay. So there was a clicking noise, and now the red ones are on and it's secure and ready to go with the red LED lights. So again, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to actually focus on this area. That way you guys get another view of how the light system works. Now I'm going to make sure I turn it on facing away from me and make sure to get it right up on the skin. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now I have the red light system and I'm going to move it right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and wait the 3 minutes for this cycle to complete. So far, I'm really impressed with it, and I'm so excited to be incorporating this into my skincare routine to really help get these breakouts under control. I honestly also find this very relaxing. It's just like very nice and warm to the touch, and it just really helps ease my mind that I'm going to be getting rid of my breakouts, and I'm very confident that the Claro system by Spasciences is really going to be so beneficial for my skin. I am super excited and I would definitely recommend it. So far, I think it's super easy to use and I'm so excited to see the results. So make sure, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram at jbayproductions and give this video a big old like. All right, and that was the 3-minute little beep. All right, I went ahead and turned it off. So as you guys can see, I did this side with the blue LED lights and I did this side with the red LED lights. So far, I don't have a whole lot of redness. If you're wanting to incorporate this like in your skincare routine, it could probably be really beneficial. I don't think you're gonna see a whole lot of redness. It'll really help with the inflammation, and I just think it's gonna be amazing. I highly recommend it. I think it's super easy to use. So far, I'm really impressed. So shout out to Spasciences for sending me this amazing product. And yeah, I hope you guys have loved this little demo. Now it's time for me to go get ready for the day. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old like. Tell me, did you like this video? Do you have one of these at home? Have you tried it? And what has your experience been? If you've tried it, let me know down below. If you have any questions on the Spasciences Claro system, let me know. Slide into my DM. I will definitely cover any questions if I missed anything in this one. I hope you've loved this demo. I just think this is so exciting. I'm really excited to see how this helps my skin, and you absolutely loved this product and loved the demo. And please, before you leave, smash that subscribe button, hit me with a big old like, turn on the bell for notifications, and yeah, stay tuned because I will be bringing you more content very soon. And until next time, guys, bye.